Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where we make tech simple and practical for everyone. Want to stop sharing your location on Snapchat without anyone noticing? Today, I'll show you how to turn on ghost mode and keep your location private instantly. Step 1. Open Snapchat profile. Open the Snapchat app and tap your profile icon or Bitmoji in the top left corner. This is where all your account settings and privacy controls are located. Step 2. Access settings. Tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to find all privacy and account preferences. Step 3. Open location settings. Scroll to privacy controls and select See My Location. Here you can manage who sees your location. Before we dive further, hit that subscribe button to stay ahead with the latest tech tips and tricks. Step 4. Enable ghost mode. Tap the switch labeled Ghost Mode to hide your location from everyone. Select until turned off in the pop-up to keep your location private indefinitely. Step 5. Verify location privacy. Once enabled, your location will be hidden from all Snapchat friends. You can return anytime to adjust or turn off ghost mode. And that's it. Now you know how to turn off location sharing on Snapchat quickly and safely. Stay private and in control of your information. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more easy step-by-step tech tutorials every day.